In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ungroup tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, you can see I have here some tasks here, but they have been grouped based on priority. However, I'd like to go ahead and remove this grouping. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to Customize here and then go to Groups. And you can see the current status is priority. So to remove this, just go ahead and click on the drop down and then choose the first option, status. Now, if you click on this, it will go ahead and remove the priority on your task. And you can see the group status has been graded. And now tasks are now arranged based on when they were just created. So that's how you can ungroup tasks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.